Hi, I'm Dr. Andrea Schnowski with AlignLife of Peoria in the Metro Center. I am here to talk to moms or soon-to-be moms about pregnancy and chiropractic care. A lot of times when we're dealing with a pregnancy, we may have some aches and pains. We may have back pain, especially as we start to grow a little bit bigger, as baby gets bigger. And a lot of times we're kind of got the short end of the stick because let's face it, during pregnancy, there's not a lot of medications that you can take safely. There's not a lot of things that you can do safely at home as well to help with pain relief. So I want to tell you a little bit more about chiropractic and how that can help. Your medical doctor, your OB or your gynecologist can help you as well with some stretching and things like that. And they're monitoring baby, making sure that baby's okay. But I want to make sure that you're okay. Because as baby grows, our uterus is actually anchored inside of our spine and inside of our pelvis by 6 different ligaments. We have 2 ligaments that are from the front of the uterus that go all the way back and they wrap around a big, huge ligament that attaches on our lower back. So if there's any twisting in our lower back, that can cause the uterus to twist as well and make a lot less space for baby to grow and also causing some discomfort for you in the front of the belly. And the other part of the sacrum that attaches, so we have another set of ligaments from that uterus that goes back to the sacrum. And that's the one that helps the uterus make sure that it's tipped forward or backward appropriately. A lot of times if you've had a pregnancy before or if you're experiencing right now some pain, especially in the low back area, especially if it's getting worse when you're trying to change positions, going from sitting and standing or lying down to standing, that can cause a lot of discomfort if there's any rotation or any issues going on in your sacrum. If that joint is out of place, that can also cause uterus to tip forward. So we may have more pain in the front of the pelvic area. We may also have some issues as well in the back as well. A lot of times I've seen even a lot of times back labor where you're having a lot of back pain during labor might be also because we have some pressure on those nerves that are causing baby to be tipped backward and scraping all along the nerves along our sacrum during delivery. The last set of ligaments that attaches are our round ligaments. Those ligaments actually are in the front of our hip area. They go from the front of the uterus out to the front of the hip here. So if you're having especially sharp pains when you're twisting, usually that's more of those ligaments that may be causing some issues. And traditional things that we can do at home for pain might be stretching, but if the joints are out of alignment, stretching can only do so much because it only works on the muscles. If we can realign the joints, realign the uterus and allow it to relax for baby to have more room and your ligaments to be a lot looser and more comfortable, that can help get you out of pain. And also, as we're using chiropractic throughout our pregnancy, which is safe, there are multiple ways of adjusting during pregnancy. We don't have to do twisting. You don't have to hear popping. I do very gentle adjusting here in my office utilizing a pillow and very light force, less than 3 pounds of pressure. But I found that women that undergo chiropractic care during their pregnancy not only have a more comfortable pregnancy, but their labor times are shorter. And that can make things a lot easier for you because let's face it, there's not really much room coming out of the birth canal. So if we make sure that all the bones are in place, all the ligaments are relaxed, we're going to maximize the amount of space that we have during labor and delivery. So you want to make sure your pelvis is in alignment, you want to make sure your uterus is nice and relaxed, the ligaments are relaxed, not only for a healthy pregnancy, but also for a healthy, happy delivery for mom and baby. So if you are pregnant or you know somebody that's pregnant that's having some issues, have them give us a call. Our office number is 689-6200. We are located in the Metro Center in Peoria, right next to Peoria Camera Shop. And we're here 6 days a week, so it makes it pretty easy to come see us and get some relief. So give us a call for a free consultation regarding your pregnancy and chiropractic care.